How does someone know which chapter is feasible for them?
The Ascent Law firm explains that.
This is one of those things where you really ought to get some legal counsel because depending on the assets that you have, you may not have sufficient exemptions, and if you file a Chapter 7, you may start losing things. I have had people file a Chapter 7 before and not realize that they had too much equity in their homes, and their house was put on the market and sold by the trustee, and they were handed a check for their homestead exemption when it was all said and done. So those types of surprises can really hurt you if you are not anticipating them. It depends on the factual circumstances that you are in, whether the Chapter 7 is better or the Chapter 13 is better. If you have to roll the dice, and you have to guess, it is always safer to file a Chapter 13, simply because the trustee does not take assets, does not seize assets. There is also a problem in some Chapter 13s of them being completed successfully. I think nationwide it is very low. The reason for that is if you are in a bankruptcy case where you have to make a regular planned payment every month on time for the next 3 years, the chances of disaster happening, or personal emergency, or something tripping you up is very common. We do have cases that make it all the way through their 3 to 5 year plan all the time, but it is a high failure rate overall across the nation.
For a free phone consultation, contact the Ascent Law firm in West Jordan, Utah at 801-876-5875 or visit their website at www.ascentlawfirm.com. No matter what type of issue you face, the attorneys are here to help you through it.